Let's design animated Instagram post. To do this, we will use canva.com free online tool. We have a link in the description, and just type in over here animated Instagram post. Click it. Over here you can see all the templates. On the left side you can choose the theme and style, and let's for example this fresh start animated. Let's click this one for example, and you can see if I click play over here, it will make this simple animation over here. So all you need to do is to change the background images and so on. To change the text, click on the text, click over here for example this text, reduce it a bit over here, change the color, we can underline it, position it, and so on. Fresh start for example, let's reduce it a little bit more like this. To change the image, click on the image, go photos, and over here you can change the, for example, you can change the image, just drag and drop it, change text here, like this. You can change the color of this animation, just click over here, and you can click over here animate and add some rise, tumble, and other things. Change background, click on the background, click over here and change the color to be, for example, this deep. And to change this image, just drag and drop another image over here and drag it over the top over here, and go here download and click MP4 video and just download it.